Today I am reviewing the Rabbit Air A3 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been running the Rabbit Air A3 SPA-1000N air purifier with a Germ Defense filter in my home for the past several months, and I wanted to share a genuine, long-term performance review. When you look at the premium air purifier market, many units look like oversized, ugly plastic boxes that take up valuable floor space and ruin the aesthetic of a room. The Rabbit Air A3 immediately stands out because it takes a completely different approach to both design and functionality. After testing it continuously through heavy cooking, seasonal shedding from pets, and peak allergy seasons, I can confidently say this is one of the most sophisticated and effective air treatment systems available today. The first thing that blew me away about the A3 is its physical design and placement flexibility. It is incredibly sleek, finished in black, and it features an award-winning low-profile design that actually looks like a piece of modern art or a high-end audio component rather than an appliance. Because it is fully wall-mountable, I was able to mount it directly to the wall in our main living area. This completely freed up floor space, kept the cords neatly tucked away from pets and children, and allowed the unit to draw in and distribute air much more efficiently from an elevated position. In terms of actual performance, the coverage on this machine is massive. It is rated for over 1,000 square feet, and it cycles thousands of cubic feet of air twice every single hour. I put this to the test in an open floor plan that connects our living room, dining area, and kitchen. Normally, if you fry food or cook with heavy spices, that odor hangs in the air for 12 to 24 hours, settling into the fabrics of your furniture. The A3 handles these spikes with incredible speed. It features a highly responsive air quality sensor that detects airborne particles and volatile organic compounds in real time. When I start cooking, the front light bar shifts color to indicate the air quality is dropped, and the automated mode instantly ramps up the fan speed. Within 20 to 30 minutes of finishing a meal, the air smells completely neutral and fresh, proving how efficiently it circulates large volumes of air. What makes the A3 truly unique is its customizable 6-stage filtration process. Unlike standard purifiers that give you a one-size-fits-all filter, Rabbit Air allows you to choose a customized filter tailored to your specific environment. I went with the Germ Defense filter option, which works in tandem with their proprietary BioGS HEPA technology. This system is designed to trap and reduce the buildup of bacteria, viruses, and airborne pathogens down to 0.1 microns with incredible efficiency. Living in a household where people are constantly coming and going, having that extra layer of medical-grade biological defense provides immense peace of mind. Underneath that specialized filter sits a robust carbon layer that actively absorbs household toxins, smoke, and chemical odors. The everyday experience of living with this machine is where it truly shines, particularly when it comes to noise levels. On its lowest setting, the A3 runs at an astonishingly quiet 20.3 decibels. To put that into perspective, it is practically a whisper. You can place this right next to a baby's crib, a home office desk, or your bed, and you will completely forget that it is even turned on. There is no annoying high-pitched motor whine or loud clicking. Even when it ramps up to higher speeds to clear out sudden smoke or dust, the sound is a very smooth, deep white noise that easily blends into the background of a room. Maintenance and smart connectivity are also top tier. The filters are built to last for a full 12 months even under continuous, 24/7 operation, so you do not have to constantly buy replacements every few months. The unit features built-in near-field communication technology that syncs directly with the Rabbit Air smartphone app. Through the app, I can monitor the exact lifespan of the filter, track real-time air quality graphs, adjust the ambient mood lighting, and set custom operation schedules. If I am away from home, I can easily open the app to check the air quality and ramp up the machine before I arrive. If there is one thing to be aware of, it is that this is a premium, high-end investment, and the replacement filters are more expensive than those of budget-tier brands. However, you truly get what you pay for. The combination of award-winning wall-mountable aesthetics, absolute silence during operation, smart app control, and highly specialized 6-stage Germ Defense filtration makes it worth every penny for anyone serious about long-term respiratory health. It has completely transformed the air quality in my home, virtually eliminating morning stuffiness, dust buildup on surfaces, and lingering odors. I highly recommend the Rabbit Air A3 for anyone looking for a powerful, smart, and beautiful air purification solution.